Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus UX325E. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus UX325E won't hold a charge, it can be a frustrating issue. This problem often arises due to battery degradation over time, which is common in laptops. If left unaddressed, you may find your device shutting down unexpectedly, making it difficult to rely on when you need it most. Thankfully, replacing the battery can restore its functionality and ensure you stay powered up. For this repair, you will need a precision screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a new battery compatible with the Asus UX325E. To start, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. It's crucial to work in a static-free environment, so don the anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage to the components. Use the precision screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of your laptop. Carefully insert the plastic opening tool into the seam of the back cover and gently pry it open, taking care not to damage the clips. Once the back panel is off, locate the battery, which is usually situated towards the bottom of the laptop. You will see several screws securing the battery in place. Remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place for reassembly. With the screws removed, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. Be careful not to pull on the wires too hard. Now, lift the old battery out and set it aside. Take your new battery and align it with the connector, ensuring it fits snugly into place. Reconnect the battery to the motherboard, pressing down firmly until you hear a click. Now, replace the screws to secure the battery in position. Before you close the back panel, it's a good idea to check that everything is connected correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully place the back cover back onto the laptop, aligning it with the clips. Press down gently around the edges to secure it. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier to hold the back panel in place. Once you've finished, plug in your laptop and power it on. Check that your new battery is functioning correctly by monitoring the charge status. To prevent battery issues in the future, avoid letting your laptop completely drain its battery frequently, and consider using a surge protector to protect against power fluctuations. Additionally, keep your laptop clean and well ventilated to help maintain battery health. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.